Okay, so this is a video that I couldn't wait to make. I'm actually unboxing my merch for the World Trade Series. I'm competing for it's just insane. It's mind-blowing. And there's a special bonus that you can claim. But before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm a random dude on the internet. Like, share, subscribe. Before we unbox this, I gotta tell you that there's a $1,610 bonus that you can claim with the link in the description below from Bybit. There's basically a reward center. After you create the account under my link, you can complete the sign test and claim rewards. It's really, really good. And I do free picks, like 30-40 trades a day. I'm scalping a lot for free. Like, no one is doing that for free. On my Telegram chat, you can see it in the link in the description down below to follow my trades, but make sure you sign up for Bybit. Let's check the march. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I've been backtesting and preparing for the tournament for a while now, and I'm very proud to actually get this. Thank you, May. She is my partner from Bybit, and she's my lead from Bybit, and I'm very grateful for everything that Bybit are doing for the crypto community. Let's check this out. I don't know if this is going to be perfect. I didn't want to have to edit it too much, so basically have to use this camera right here, the one I normally record with. And for some reason, I decided not to use a knife when unboxing this. Probably a bad idea. Okay. That's great. What do we have here? Moment of truth. Looks like a box of pizza, but with better goodies. Okay, so unboxing. And voila. Can you see that? I guess the shipping company didn't do a great job, but I basically have two card sets that says WSOT here. I have autofocus off. World Series of Trading. I've got two of those, which is great. Bybit logo, you know what it is. I've got a face mask and a t-shirt. Next Level Trading Bybit. That's great. Let's see what we have here. Is the face mask here? We try to open it up as gently as possible. Oh, and by the way, their bonus won't expire in a week, so you have a week to claim this. Oh, that's really good. That's actually whiskey forms that have the logo, I think, in them, or they're just forms. I gotta test them out. And then I have my t-shirt and face mask. Look at that. I'm gonna wear it in every single video, I hope. This is it. Front, back, loving it. WSOT, World Series of Trading. I'm gonna be very proud when wearing this. And then I have the face mask Bybit. I'm gonna be so happy walking around with this is the only face mask that I'll wear, because everyone will know what it is. I'm a Bybit trader. I'm very excited. I'm gonna get a new bottle of whiskey for those to try them out. If the video if you like it, I'm just super excited. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. I want to see you in one of the next ones.